Alright, to enable parental controls on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, as a first step, we would need to go in the phone settings and here scroll till this Google tab. Now we would need to switch from recommended to all services, and after that find this kids and family section and go in parental controls. So as a first step, we need to set it up. So let's tap the button let's do it. And here we need to select our child or teen's account. So you need to tap the button sign in and enter your child's account first. Let me do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. And now after we edit our child's account, here you can see that only one account can be signed in. So if you have any other accounts on this device, you need to tap this button to sign out and continue. Now here are the next steps, which are for Lena's parents or your child's parents. Tap the next button, and here as a parent you will need to enter your email or phone number and then your password. Let me do it quickly behind the scenes and get back to you. So here you can see how to use parental controls. So you can check what parents can see and do. After that you can check what parents cannot see or do, how to start and stop supervision, what devices can and can't be supervised, and here you need to enter passwords for your child's account. So let's go back in this section, how to stop supervision. So you can see either a parent or child can stop supervision at any time. So if a child stops supervision without parental permission, parents are notified, supervised devices get locked for 24 hours, calls can still be made from a locked device. And you can always set up supervision again with the Google Family Link app. So now you just need to tap this next button, and now let's wait till it will load. And here you can see that the parent must be an admin for this device. Let's tap the next button, we agree with that, and now all is set up. So to check this setting, you can go in this tab Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and here you can choose app limits, bedtime mode, focus mode, and if you scroll down you'll see this families tab, so you can see this parental controls and account of the parent and the child. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.